In this video, I am going to show you whether the YouTube TV free trial includes DVR functionality. The good news is that yes, DVR is included during the free trial period. YouTube TV offers a cloud DVR feature that allows you to record live TV shows and save them for up to 9 months. This feature works exactly the same way during the free trial as it does with a paid subscription, so you can record your favorite programs and watch them later at no extra cost. There's no limit to how many hours you can record, and your recordings won't expire as long as your account remains active or within the trial period. Just keep in mind that once the free trial ends, you'll need to subscribe to continue accessing your saved recordings and other features. If this video helped you understand how DVR works during the YouTube TV free trial, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.